Welcome to Candy Cane Lane.
Yo, I don't know why on camera it's looking kind of yellowish, but I promise you it's white. But anyways, I'm attempting to put up my tree today. Not put it up, but decorate it today, because I feel like if I don't start now, baby, this tree is just going to be up for another 365 days with absolutely nothing on it. So I got my decorations over here. And I feel like I don't have enough, but I'm going to try. And I want to try the cluster method and see what I can do with that, and then use my stuff that I got from Temu and fill it in to make it Candy Cane Lane. So here goes nothing. Thing is not working out for me.
Just see your fruit.
My foot is sleepy though. Okay, y'all. Can't really see it, but it's coming together. It looks so good. I think I just need to position you guys better. But I'm scared to touch my camera because it's doing its thing now. But damn. Can you guys catch the drift? Can you guys catch the, yeah, can you come out the camera, the light. Can you guys catch the drift? I'm sorry, my thing skills are super bad right now because yeah, you're on the tripod, but I need some more to finish like right here. So go down. Ooh! Y'all can't even fully see it. Okay, but I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna add in the little candy cane fillers, and I had to do it off camera because as I said, my camera was doing its thing. But I'm gonna add, I'm gonna add in the little candy cane fillers Let me switch you guys over here. Oh, it looks so good! Okay. Now these like special ones, I'm just gonna fill them in like anywhere, basically. And then yeah. So all the tree will be full, but the, you get what I mean? Yeah. My ornaments from Temu. Oh, I love these ones. Hi guys. Day 2 of putting up the tree. I got more decorations. Hold on. Let me show you the haul for today. Guess what guys? I found some more white balls that I had on the tree from last year. I found 2 more today. So thank God for that. But these are all the ones that I picked up. So I think I should be able to finish this part of the tree. And I have some whites that I can add in, so I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go.
Colorful still,
yeah.
Different concept, yeah.
Not really colorful, but they're all the same color.
Colorful in all color.
It's red, white, and green.
Red, white, green. Exactly.
So that's a lot of colors.
Tree. That's a tree color we use? 2.
Yeah, no.
A tree.
White, silver, and gold.
Oh, so how do you tree color?
Not always. It just
I love the red too.
I love the red. Even in the bathroom, you guys, I put up the shower curtain and like the place. No, not yet. And like the place is just so, I don't know, but the pop of red. Yeah. Even out here, I put out the. Hold on, let me fix back the couch because people. But like the pop of red, yeah, it's giving what it's supposed to give. I need to go get the next 2 fillers so I can get my other 2 pillows up. But the red, yeah, big up Timu. Anywhere them dead, big up Timu. Okay, I'm going to make my clusters and then get to decorating. So, yeah, I want to come make the cluster them with me. Jesus, hold on. Yeah. So that's the cluster, guys. Basically, I just used 3 ornaments, put them together, and then twine them up on the tree. Okay, so my cluster garlands like came out so freaking perfect. Oh, the colors are so good. The colors look so good. Y'all don't mind the mess. What? The colors, yeah, the colors look so good with the pops of peppermint, candy canes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, no, and it goes all. I did all. Oh shit, I did all. So all around your soto, baby. Everything gets touched, yeah. Everything gets touched, yeah. I freaking love it. Okay, I'm gonna try to figure out how I'm gonna do the thing, the top part, and then yeah. Hey y'all, so for the top, I really want to use these. I really want to use my my candy canes. I'm gonna need my chair. Okay, so one is in.
Well, the Spurs, the target is very definitely a victory. Remember, they were held to a draw last time out against Sheffield United. How might this one go, Stuart?
Well, it wasn't a great game. No goals and not too many chances, which was disappointing for their fans. Today, I think we'll see a much better display from them going forward, and they'll probably just have enough to win it.
So happy Christmas. And I want that old people start to sing them talk the lyrics part. They're not singing.
Is it going to be?
Another year is over. You won't just be done.
Yes, brother. Oh yes, my friend.
You know, I feel like Jamaican people are the best in the world.
Christmas has come again. Oh yes.
I love when I look at the candy cane and what that was different, you know, style like. I don't want like Baphomet, you know. I look at Baphomet.
Okay, I need you to tell me if they're when they're even. Is it even now?
It's alright. I'm not fully even.
Yeah, I want it to be even.
Yeah, to go up more. Yeah. 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 Right, that's tighten it and make it more and shift it. You shift it.
How?
That turn it straight, yeah. See how it look? Yeah, yeah. Good, man.
No, it's not. This one is not. Imagine.
It's level, two of them are the same height. I just saw the trees still.
No, you're right.
I just tree out front one of the trees.
Okay.
What's the man bar and I'm a judgment, who did them something there? I have to judge it. You know? Measure them something.
And then should I put this in the center?
Yeah, that ring off. Like Baphomet tell you them two on there. So, you know.
Should I put the two of them?
Much you want to gift them gone night? On the skirt. Doesn't work. And see that's what that will just look better. The right place to put it rather than put it over next to the tree. The right place to tree there.
I feel like I need like a bowl or something. Yeah? Oh, alright. Ah! You guys, I love it! Can you guys see? Yes, you can. Oh! Okay. Get out of here.
And I was just come out of my picture too. I'm zooming in my photo and then I have my picture.
Wait, you can't take it yet. You gotta wait for the skirt to come.
You gotta put that tie in like a bow, like a tie. You get what I mean? Like a bow.
Sitting.
You know some of us see the vision there, I said.
Yeah.
Bow in a middle there, so what you have? Yeah. You look better so when it stick out like a candy. No.
When it sticks out?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right, actually.
And then the spontaneous, I see it and I do it, you know.
You're right. That's how actually I did it yesterday, but...
No, it look better so the candy stick
Okay.
out like a candy. Yeah. And it kind of make a bow.
Okay.
You buy candy, you know, I don't like too much, you know. It's candy that stick out of the tree. That's a green alone, miss me.
Damn.
That's why the green board I work, you know. Because green alone, miss me. So
Yo.
See, I
People?
you don't see it's spontaneous, that's safe to stick out.
But not gonna lie, and I'm not done yet because I still have to make my big, my bigger versions of these to throw in there. So when it's done, yo, oh maybe I can use one of those for the top instead.
One of the big candy.
The big one of these.
Yeah, put one on top.
Put it
one
at the top
central,
instead.
Yeah.
Instead of the bowl.
And still put the green board and put it there.
No, babe. If I'm gonna put that there, I don't need
Because
to
I
put
see a
the
green
bowl.
board. I don't know why.
You guys know yesterday, I don't know if it's saved, but we were trying to figure out like trim. Like if I was gonna put any trim. I seen this candy cane peppermint garland at Dollar Tree today. So I said, let me try this because the more red and white, the merrier. How am I feeling? Yeah, I feel like the more red and white I see, the better for me. Y'all, I love how these freaking candy canes look. Like, this just looks so freaking good. So freaking good. Ah! Okay. Y'all, there was this DIY that I seen, but it was more so for like a gingerbread house. But I'm thinking I could make little peppermints and do, because I was gonna put a balloon garland over there, but I don't really want balloons. So instead, I think I could do that plate hack and make them peppermints instead. Candy cane freaking lane, baby. Yeah, okay. Hey, y'all. Oh my god, I'm so excited just to see everything come to freaking together. I really wanted to put a garland there or something, but... I'll do them.
Well, thanks, Derek, as always. The scene is set. Two good teams.
Let's use it for now.
An atmosphere of excitement and anticipation here in North London at the home of Arsenal.
Okay, so y'all, tell me if I should return these ones from Walmart. Tell me what looks better. If I should use...
Now down to the players. Which one?
Wonderful chance. And the keeper really reacted brilliantly. From that sort of range, it's a
Can't go higher.
I have to say.
The only other thing is to put it on the outside of the TV.
Yeah,
taken short.
actually, yes, man. Yes, that is at the end now.
Counting in. Danger averted. Well, after pressing like that, maybe the short.
Yeah? Or...
At this point of the season,
Where these
but they
stockings?
deserve it at the moment. Their early season form has been really good. The coach is certainly getting the best out of the players.
I like the Walmart ones. I feel like the Walmart ones are the right red.
Perfect challenge.
That makes sense.
Must take on a cover.
Okay, I'll be back. I'm gonna clean up. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I don't know if I said what it is, but it's Vlogmas day 12. I am signing off, y'all. It's 10:25. I didn't even realize it was that late. It's 10:25. I'm gonna go shower, get ready for bed. I hope you guys commented the regimen, because at this point I haven't seen anybody comment it. What is the proper way to properly shower? So comment down below and let me know, because I seriously want to know. Thank you. Thank you. But yeah, I will show you guys more tomorrow when I come in and I do a little bit more decorations. But so far, I'm in love. Like, the lights are off, the tree's lit. Oh, the lights are off. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere I go. Woo! Loving it. Loving it. Like, I did an amazing job executing my theme this year. Even if I don't do anything else to the house, just the tree alone, giving Candy Cane Lane, baby. It's giving Candy Cane Lane. It's giving the girls everything that it's supposed to be giving, okay? So yeah. I will see you guys, I'm tired, baby. I will see you guys tomorrow with day 15. It's somebody's birthday tomorrow, December 15th. December 15th. It's somebody's birthday tomorrow. Oh, it's the 13th? Is the 13th somebody's birthday, or is it the 15th? I don't know. It's somebody's birthday. But anyways, bye.
Christmas
guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 14. Yeah, it's December 14th. Yikes. Dang. Babe, how much more days? 10? 11. Whoa, I can't do math. 11 more days until Christmas. And as you guys seen, we are fully getting the house ready. So I am going to do at the end of this vlog a final reveal. Somebody commented on my last video and said that they hope that they're gonna get to see my decorations go up before Christmas. Baby, it's going up before Christmas, I promise you. Because yeah, the tree went up and we started feeling the spirit. Now I'm starting to do the other things in the house and kind of getting it into the spirit or whatever the case may be. I don't think I'm going to get to do every single thing that I want to do, but I did accomplish a lot so far. So I'm just going to try to finish what I've started, and if I can do anything extra, then I definitely will. But oh shoot, I said by the end of this vlog, right? I'm gonna do my best. I'm gonna do my best. I have an order that needs to go out for Saturday. 2 actually that need to go out for Saturday, and for one of them I have to attend the event. So let's see. I really don't want to pull an all-nighter tomorrow, but I know I'm gonna have a long night tomorrow because I have a lot of stuff to do and I have not accomplished a lot of it. In terms of the house, I have, but in terms of the orders, I have not. Because I still have to go pick up the stuff tomorrow and then come home and make them. And a lot of them are like paper crafts that I literally have to cut, assemble, design, all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be a time. It's gonna be a time. But anyways, that's for tomorrow. Mr. Tingling is already complaining that he wants to go to his bed. So that's my call to go shower and get ready for bed. I'm tired though, y'all, because I went to sleep at like... On Sunday night, I went to sleep maybe at about 3 or 4 in the morning. Monday morning when I should be waking up at like 6 o'clock, 6:30. And so that started off my week really slow. So that's why you guys haven't really seen, like, heard me or anything like that. You guys have seen me, but I'm pretty sure there's a lot of montages going on in this vlog. But at the same time, I am just trying to concentrate, and my camera is just, you know, cameraing. So yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go shower, as I said, and get ready for bed. I will see you guys tomorrow on the weekend. Pray that I have energy tomorrow to do everything that I need to do. I need to finish the cupboards. I need to finish the doorway. Oh, the candies are outside. I would show you guys, but I'm just gonna wait until the final reveal to show you guys everything. But Candy Cane Lane is coming together. Like, it's giving the girls what it's supposed to give. Yeah, absolutely. I love it. Love it. Love it. I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm loving it. In it. I'm loving it. So yeah. See you guys. Bye.
Welcome to Candy Cane Lane.
welcome to Candy Cane Lane, at least my version of Candy Cane Lane. You guys, I'm not gonna lie, I am really happy with how my Christmas decorations turned out this year. I honestly had a vision, executed it. There is maybe like 1 or 2 DIYs that I did not get to do, but I can always do them another year and fit them in for another theme. They weren't necessarily specific to the Candy Cane Lane theme. So yeah, but let's just talk about my decorations for a little bit. As you guys know, I did partner with Temu for some of the decor that you guys would have seen in the little montage of, you know, my Christmas decorations. You guys, I'm just so happy when I actually have a vision and I make it come to life. Like, I actually freaking did it. I actually did it. So welcome to Candy Cane Lane. Oh my God. So anyways, y'all, this archway, I was looking on like Pinterest. Pinterest is always like my go-to when it comes to like planning anything. Like, I always start with Pinterest just because there's so many people on there who have already done things, and it's more, you know, I don't really know how to explanation it, but if you're a Pinterest girly or guy, then you definitely know, like, Pinterest is definitely #1, the way to go. So I always go to Pinterest just to get a lot of ideas and to like see like the vision. Sometimes I'm a very hands-on person. Like, I can see something in my head, but I can't really explanation it or quite see it. Like, you know, I gotta like do it and then like, yeah, well, you know, I'm that type of person. I gotta be very hands-on. So I have to kind of see somebody's work in order to be like, yeah, like, I know that this definitely can, you know, be possible. So while looking on Pinterest in regards to like archway designs, doorway designs, I was seeing a lot of like gingerbread home inspos, and I'm not doing gingerbread, I'm just doing Candy Cane Lane. But I did see a lot of stuff where people were turning like pool noodles into like jumbo candy canes and stuff like that, and I didn't necessarily have like a doorway or need like a jumbo candy cane for anything per se. So I just thought, why not use it to make the trim of the doorway? The balloons, I honestly was gonna use it initially to do this, but I just thought the balloons would have been too much. But then after blowing them up and then being like, I'm not gonna waste them, I was like, I just came out here and I put it on top, and babe was like, yup, that's it, that's where it needs to go. Like, and it fits in so well. And then we just filled in, well, I just filled in the bottom with some more as well, just so it looked fully complete. I don't know what it is supposed to look like, but baby, it just looks amazing. Like, it just looks amazing. I made these jumbo peppermint swirl candies, well, peppermint candies, whatever, from like foam discs and cardstock. I used my Cricut to cut out the designs, and then I just used cellophane wrap and some ribbon to make them into candies. The red paper is some red foil like wrapping paper. I just decided to throw it onto the jumbo one just so you could see that it was a candy a little bit more than the smaller ones. And yeah, I made a few of those for this, and then I also added some onto the treat, which I will show you guys a little bit later. And then I got this snow trim thingy from the dollar store, and I just decided to add it on there just a little bit, so there's just, you know, a little effect. And then put some glue, Hero glue. I just used some tape to attach it to my wall, and yeah, that's that. Like, it looks probably a lot more difficult than it actually was, as you guys would have seen from whatever it was that I was able to catch while making this. But it honestly was really, really simple. I used 3 pool noodles and ta-da! So that's that for my archway. And honestly, I thought I loved my tree, but like this, like waking up and seeing this like first thing, or like coming home and like seeing this first thing, like it just made the living room like more than we've had it before. So I'm super happy that I definitely did not give up on this project and went through with it. Because honestly, y'all, like, I don't know, putting up your tree is one thing, but like just going all out, like, it's a whole different feeling. So if this is my apartment, imagine when I get my house. Anyways, let's move on to this area here. Now this candy cane lane sign, I hope you guys can see, but this candy cane lane sign, initially I wanted it to go somewhere up here, but once adding the balloons, I couldn't fit it on, so it's just gonna be here. You know, just, you're in candy cane lane. You're here, you're in candy cane lane. We have the Christmas countdown as of today. We have 6 more sleeps until Christmas. Customized stockings by yours truly yourself. One for he, one for me. And then I just put a little bit more trim. I did want a garland and add like candy canes or whatever the case may be, but then I was like, nah, it's okay. Like, we know we're in candy cane lane, you know what I mean? Like, at some point we can hold off on the candy canes. So I just added the little snow trim over there, and I think it's doing what it needs to do. Yeah? Yeah. All right, let's go over to the next main attraction. All right, y'all, now before we get to that, I just want to show you guys the like couch area. These are my pillow covers that I got from Temu. They came out so beautiful. This is also the throw. No, this is the throw that I got from Giant Tiger. More of the pillows. This is my favorite one. Like, I just love how this one looks. More of the pillows that I got from Temu. There's the people them. On another pillow that we got from Temu. How does it feel? Comfortable, no? Very, very, not jolly. And then this, you guys, is the candy canes that I was showing you guys that I got from HomeSense. I just, as I said, put them in here. And then we have our little Merry Christmas sign and my peppermint bark candle over there. So we have that going on right there. And then the beaut. The beauty herself. Oh my God. Y'all, my tree? My tree? My tree? My tree. Hold on. Because y'all can't fully see. The tree. The tree? Are y'all as silent as me? Cause wow, the tree. Okay, so yeah, that's my tree. Hold on, un momento, por favor. So guys, my tree. My tree, as you guys can see, I believe I showed you guys this in a haul, my jumbo candy canes, my acrylic ones that I got from Dollar Tree. I just decided to use that. Like, I don't know, I was trying to configure them and like it was sticking out, and baby was like, no, I like how that look. But now that I'm seeing this, I wish that I had pushed them towards the back so that they were sticking out towards the back rather than towards the front.
No, but you want to part that come out at the end.
No, yes, but I could have pushed it where it was coming out. It's more to the front than to the back. I wish it was going towards the back so you can see the X more. Yeah, so you can see the X more, but that's okay. It still looks amazing.
I don't even realize it make a X mask.
Yeah, X.
Yeah.
And then I have my little jingle belly things up here that I got from Temu, along with all of my candy cane ornaments and peppermint ornaments that I got from Temu as well. I did get a little candy cane, a little candy cane garland. It's like a wired garland that I had found at Dollar Tree, so I put that on there and filled that in. And then, as you guys will see, my little jumbo peppermints that I had made out of the foam discs are on there. And I have my little cluster garland thingy going. Like, you guys, my tree looks so, like, it looks professionally done. Every time I do my tree and I post it, like, everybody's just like, oh my God, like, I need you to come do my Christmas tree. Like, there's just something about the placement. I don't know, I love it, but like, I love it. I don't care how time consuming it is. I absolutely love it. It's so crazy how much time and effort we put into Christmas decorations, and then we just gotta take it all down. And like, it's a whole new theme the next year, you know what I mean? But I am so happy with how everything came together. My peppermint skirt, like, y'all, I think like I accomplished this theme so well. for the little space that I have that I was able to decorate, I think I did an amazing job. I'm super proud of myself, and I can't wait to see what next year looks like. But I can't wait to take my pictures this year. Like candy cane, like y'all, I have places to take pictures other than just my tree this year. Like my whole apartment is completely decked out. The room is red, the bathroom is red, everything is just red and white, like, and nice and pepperminty and swirly and everything. Like, baby, I really did my thing. I did my customs. I did everything that I needed to do. So I am super pleased. I'm gonna have a great sleep. Well, I've been having a great sleep, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for coming on this journey with me. I hope you guys enjoyed Candy Cane Lane. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I mean, let me know, like really and truly, let me know what you guys think. How do you guys think I really did? Comment down below, let me know. But yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.